Now, in this episode, we will take a look at migration and disaster recovery options. Basically, disaster recovery is the plan and processes for quickly re-establishing access to data, applications, services, and all IT resources after an outage or disaster. Your disaster recovery plan may involve switching over to a redundant set of compute, storage, network, firewall, and all hardware appliances and logical part which contain services, applications, and operating system until your primary data center is functional again. For example, an important consideration for all recovery solution is not just the depth and completeness of your backup, but prime target for you to minimize downtime to facilitate your customers and clients. Because every minute your servers are down is a big financial loss. There are different deployment options for these solutions, such as you can say cloud based and on premise environment, or a combination of both. Depending on the option you choose, you will have several alternatives for technologies and processes you can employ for backup and disaster recovery, including traditional NAS, a snapshot based replication, or you can say continuous replication. A well implemented disaster recovery solution will help your business maintain continuity and avoid downtime. A backup and disaster recovery solutions ensures that an organization can easily get back on their feet after any kind of disaster without experiencing any hiccups in service or financial losses. Another benefit is the perception of credibility. Experiencing downtime can create long term negative effects on an organization reputation. Not only that, but service interruptions can also create compliance hurdles. Legal issues may raise from a data loss or downtime. So, mitigating this risk is worth the time and effort needed to implement a robust disaster recovery solution. Now, in this regard, when we talk about the applications or the solutions on the platform of Microsoft Azure, so basically we have two options. One is completely dedicated for migration purposes, which is Azure Migrate, while the second one is completely dedicated for disaster recovery planning, designing, and implementation. So let's move and discover what kind of options available when we talk about the Azure Migrate. Then we will go and design, implement, and see lots of demos for ASR, which is Azure Site Recovery Tool, which is completely designed for disaster recovery solutions. So let's move and explore Azure Migrate.